Hello, my name is Anne. So this is While the Kettle Boils challenge, and I'm using tins of beans. I'm going to give you 3 exercises that are going to last for 45 seconds and 15 seconds rest in between. So we're going to start off. Our first exercise is going to be a row. Alright, so get ready. So on the row, you're going to hinge on the hips, let your weights hang down, and we're going to row. Off you go. So remember, your feet are on the floor, your heels are down, you're hinged on the hips, arms are in close. I'm going to turn to the front now. Your chest is proud and you're looking forward. Roll the arms up and drop back down. Abs are pulled in and breathe. Yeah. 15 seconds of or 15 seconds left. Keep going. 5 seconds, last few seconds, and change. So we have 15 seconds of a rest in between, and we're going to take it into the reverse flies. So again, we're going to hinge on the hips, we're going to hang the waist down, squeeze the shoulder blades together each time the arms comes out. Alright, so hinge on the hips, drop down, squeeze your shoulder blades, come back down, squeeze the shoulder blades. So turn into the side. So again, your chest is proud. Squeeze the shoulder blades each time the hands come up. And you're breathing also. Ten seconds left. Squeeze the shoulder blades. 5 seconds. And rest. Okay, our last exercise is the bicep curl. So we're also going to bring in the legs as well. So we're going to use opposite leg to opposite hand and bicep curl. Alright, get ready. Off you go. So you're touching the floor with your heels and you're bending your elbows. Bringing the weights up. You're using the opposite arm to your opposite leg. Last 20 seconds. Last few seconds. Keep it going. Nearly there. And rest. That's it. Off you go and have your cup of tea. Thank you. God bless.